Hey guys, how to generate business ideas with ChatGPT. So, generating business ideas with ChatGPT involves brainstorming, refining, and testing concepts. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to come up with business ideas. First of all, identify interest and skills, explore trends, and solve problems, and refine and validate. Use ChatGPT to analyze potential challenges, highlight pain points, or you or other face, and ask for solutions that can become business ideas, and discuss current trends or emerging technologies to identify gaps in the market and share your passion or expertise. You can ask ChatGPT to generate ideas aligned with them. In my case, I'm gonna write an example business idea. Let's have an example. Echo Go, right? Echo Go, sustainable, right? Travel kit. And I'm gonna write down the description, like a subscription based service, right? Providing eco friendly travel essentials, right? And the target market, let's say millennials, not millionaires, millennials, millennials, and Gen Z travelers, right? And the unique selling points, let's say customize kits based on travel type, right? And the revenue stream, like select the revenue stream for your service, like subscription plans for regular travelers or casual, or partnership with eco-friendly travel agencies and influencers, right? Let's have an example. Subscription plans for travelers, right? As you can see right here, the key features: usable, biodegradable, and sustainable products designed to reduce your carbon footprint. And as you can see, right, the target audience, right? And basically, if you want to refine this concept, you can just type refine X, Y, an example mean. An example of that business idea. You could just type your X, which is the key features. For example, you want to edit it and add something else, or the target audience, you want to expand your target audience. You don't want millennials only or Gen Z, and you want to target more like let's say rich people, whatever that might be. So you can type refine X, Y, and Z, like refine point A, refine point B, and so forth, and you can get deeper and deeper. So you can start your business idea journey. And if you want to expand more, you can just type brainstorm more ideas for travel kits, or change the name if you don't want to. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We will catch you the next time. See you.